Well, good morning everybody. How y'all doing? Pretty good here, and welcome to the channel. Got another mod that we're going to unbox today because it's a little more involved for the Tacoma out there. And it is right here, you guys can see. It is a cold air intake for my Tacoma. And I'll give you the part number in case you're interested or in this rather. And you can get it over at sparksparts.com, which is where I got mine. Don't forget to use discount code RobMotive for 5% off. So, part number, excuse my voice, is PTR03-35160. And I'll show you right here. There you go. And again, this is the cold air intake for the Tacoma. We're going to go ahead and unbox it now. I'm curious to see what pieces and parts are in here. And did it come with any instructions? I don't think it does, but I have something for that as well. So let me point you guys down here, and let's take a look at what's in this box. Got my handy dandy carpet cutting knife here, because you know we're cutting carpet and whatnot. Let's see. Got it. All right, let's see. We of course want to make sure that we have all the parts we're supposed to have. Can't imagine there's any issue there, but first thing we have is an intake flow accelerator. An intake flow accelerator. There we go. Next, it's pretty cool how these are labeled. I didn't know they'd be labeled like this. I thought it'd just be a box full of parts, you know. This is the intake tube. The intake tube. Got some more stuff. All right, the pretty parts are next. Here we have a throttle body coupler kit. It's got the red throttle body, I guess, kit, or piece rather, along with the clamps that goes with it. Then we have, let's see here, this is the Airbox Bellows kit. The Airbox Bellows kit, again, in the TRD red. I like it. Nothing else in there. And then, one of the big reasons right here, because I like this a lot, this is the, let's get it right how it's labeled. This is the upper air box, and it has some sort of filter media. It'll be interesting to see. It looks like filter media. I don't know. Inside the box there, I actually don't think it is, but we'll see once we get going on the install. But this is the upper box, or the upper air box. Again, pretty cool. I love the TRD lettering and stuff on this. It's one of the big reasons I got it, to be honest. And lastly, let's see. Lastly, we have the performance air filter. This should be the air or the oiled filter, I guess. Let's see here. Doesn't really say there, but I'm pretty sure that this is the oiled filter, but we'll find out again when we do the install. There you go. And that is all. You can see all of the parts that come with it. And I'll save the box because I'll save whatever's left from the OEM setup there. But, of course, you notice there are no instructions with it. Didn't really expect there to be instructions. However, I did find, and while I'm thinking of that, it does say here, the installation instructions for this accessory are on the Electronic Toyota Information System, TIS. Please see your Toyota dealer for a copy. So apparently you could either go to that site, I kind of doubt it, it's probably for Toyota techs only, or go to the dealer and get a copy of this, or do what I did and search the web, and you can get the same thing and print it off, which is what I have here. So we want to check real quick, make sure that we have the right parts. First thing, and I'm only going to go by the ending, is the 34140, which is the air filter. We obviously have that. The 35160, the upper airbox, we have that. Let's see, the intake tube, 35160 AB. Let's see, AB, that would be this part right here. The 35160 AC throttle body coupler kit, that would be here. We do have that. The coupler, 341032. Let's see, 341032, the coupler. That I'm not seeing. So not exactly sure what that's about. The PTR 03-35160AD, we have that here. The 3411033, the Bellows. I believe those are all component parts of this kit, so we should have all that stuff. I think we're okay. And lastly is the 35160AE, this part here. So it does indeed look like we have everything we need. Again, I think some of the parts that I mentioned that I don't see here are because they're component parts of the kit itself. So I think we're okay. Anyway, I just wanted to get on here, do a little unboxing for you guys, to let you see what's coming up. Of course, there'll be an install video coming shortly. As soon as I can get out here and get this thing installed, hopefully my voice will be a little bit better. I doubt it, because I'll probably do it maybe today. But that's what we've got coming up next. There are a couple of more parts in here. 2 more for the Tundra sitting outside, so stay tuned for those. As usual, appreciate you guys watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Click that subscribe button if you haven't before. And we'll see you next time on the web. Have a great day. Bye.